Prime Minister Narendra Modi has said that the resolve to uplift the poor and the deprived, the mantra of Sabka Saath, Sabka Vikas, and the spirit of service are the guiding principles of the government today. Mr. Modi was addressing devotees at Sri Anandpur Dham in Isgarh, Ashoknagar, Madhya Pradesh, today. Referring to the government's welfare schemes, Mr. Modi said that various initiatives such as the Pradhan Mantri Garib Kalyan Yojana, Ayushman Yojana, Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana, and Jal Jeevan Mission are being implemented to make the lives of the poor and underprivileged sections of society easier. He stated that the spirit of service is at the core of the government's functioning and that the government is working for all sections of society. He also mentioned the launch of a campaign called Ek Ped Maa Ke Naam to promote environmental protection. Mr. Modi added that amid the material progress in the world, we are facing various challenges related to war, conflict, and human values. He said that the world is now searching for answers to these challenges, and the solution lies in the philosophy of Advait. Earlier, the Prime Minister visited temples of the Paramahansa Advait sect, met with prominent spiritual leaders, and participated in a satsang program. Several dignitaries, including Dr. Mohan Yadav, Chief Minister of Madhya Pradesh, Union Minister Jyotiraditya Scindia, and State BJP President V.D. Sharma, were present at the event. Earlier, Prime Minister Narendra Modi visited and offered prayers at Guruji Maharaj Temple at Anandpur Dham in Isgarh Tehsil, Ashoknagar district of Madhya Pradesh. The Prime Minister also visited the temple complex at Anandpur Dham. Anandpur Dham has been established for spiritual and philanthropic purposes. Spanning 315 hectares, it houses a modern Gaushala with over 500 cows. The trust also runs agricultural activities within the Sri Anandpur Trust campus. It has been operating a charitable hospital in Sukhpur village, schools in both Sukhpur and Anandpur, and various satsang centers across the country. Focal Alpha News.
Real news for real world.